Guys, this is an emergency video. We did break out of this symmetrical triangle that I mentioned on my last video. The target supposedly is going to be the $42,000 range, but there is a huge amount of volume around the $43,500 here. We can see the Elon Musk pump. We have an immense, huge amount of volume. This is a money barrier, guys. A lot of BTC need to be sold for the price to go below the $43,500. If we go below it, I'm going to show you some great buying opportunities, and if you want to take advantage of this situation, you want to do it on Bybit or on Femix. We've got an amazing bonus for Femix right now. If you click on my link, you can get up to $680, guys. All the information is in the description. We'll be taking a look at the Ethereum price, also broke to the downside from this ascending wedge. So we want to talk about different levels where you want to take some profits, and also where you can probably enter another trade. And coincidence, company stocks rise after they buy Bitcoin as a reserve. This also happened with the MicroStrategy stocks. We did mention this on my videos before. And guys, before we start with this episode, I need you to go down this video and smash up the like button and subscribe if you haven't done yet, guys, for coming updates. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. Wow, guys, we did have a decent enough breakout here from this symmetrical triangle. The measured move we mentioned that would be from the breakout down to the $42,000 range, guys. We might have a leg down to this area, but there's one thing here. There is a huge amount of volume around the $43,300, $500 area because of the Elon Musk pump, guys. We did break out of this symmetrical triangle with a decent amount of volume, just like this volume here, which is valid, okay? But we have all of this volume in the way, guys. This is around the $5,500 area. All of this volume is buying pressure, guys. So this has to be a huge amount of volume to break these levels to the downside. So this level might hold and we might turn around from here. So I would be picking some of the profits out, guys. Look how we broke out and we bounced nicely from the support area. So we broke the support area and look how we bounced and converted it into resistance and continue to the downside. We might break these levels, guys, but there's just too much volume here. For an example, look, all of this volume right there is not going to beat all of this volume, isn't it? We need a lot of volume to start breaking down these levels, guys. So if we do come down to the $42,000 area, this is going to be an extreme buying opportunity to place a long or buy some more Bitcoin. But for placing a swing trade with a low leverage, this is going to be absolutely a great buying opportunity at the $42,000 range. If we go to the hourly chart, we can see this was the all-time high from the beginning of January. We just hit the $42,000 range and we broke out of it now with the Elon Musk news. So if we go to the $42,000 level, it's going to be extreme buying opportunity, guys, to place a long order here. It is also the 62%, the golden pocket from the Fibonacci retracement. If we take this low here as an impulse up to the high, this would take the price of Bitcoin all the way to this heavy support and the 62%, the golden pocket, to place a long, guys, to at least go and meet the $48,000 range. I would be taking most of the profits out now from this short because of this heavy support area, guys. If you placed a short, I would be getting at least half of the profits out because this support here might hold nicely and we might turn around from here. Checking out the Ethereum US dollar price. Clear breakout from this ascending wedge here for the Ethereum US dollar price. The measured move from this ascending wedge would be coming all the way down to $1,500 levels. But I would be super cautious, guys. We are in a bull market. There is a lot of buying orders and a lot of institutions coming in. And I think that we might see the Ethereum price having a reversal or a possible fake out with this kind of volume. If you place the trade here, I would get some profits out, guys, before we have a reversal. We are in a bull market. It is extremely risky to short in a bull market. The measured move, supposedly the technical measured move, would be the $1,500 range, but we can hardly see any volume. As you can see here, we want to see some nice red candles here from the breakout, so we know this breakout is legit. There is a lot of selling pressure, so we can meet our targets. We are in a bull market. Stay very, very cautious. It would be a good idea to take some profits, guys. If we come all the way down to the $1,500 area, which would be the measured move of this ascending wedge, or the 1,450, which is extreme support, this is a major buying opportunity if we go to these levels. As you can see here, this ascending triangle, we touched multiple times the $1,440 range, and we broke out of it. If we come all the way down, guys, this is an incredible buying opportunity, as you can see in this example of technical analysis. So if we do come down, guys, great buying opportunity here. Let's take a look at this news. Coincidence, company stocks rise after they buy Bitcoin as a reserve. The market cap of most companies that bought Bitcoin have increased recently. It seems to be a season of giving, and Bitcoin is doing just that, at least for the institutional backers such as MicroStrategy, Galaxy Digital, Square, and Marathon Patent Group, which got in somewhere early on the BTC gravy train. Tesla announced that they're buying $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and their share price shot up by close 3%. BTC is having a direct impact on both the cryptocurrency market as well as the traditional ones. Investors see these large corporations as the ones leading this new wave of digitalization, and therefore a good long-term investment opportunity. A 3% for a traditional stock is a lot, guys, just by buying Bitcoin. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website if you're new into Bitcoin. We have great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Jujex leverage trading platform, make sure to watch it. I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.